Probability, very important topic. Standard question where you got two events. 9 counters a bag, 7 in red, 2 in white. Take 2 counters without replacement. You need to check whether it's with or without replacement because it affects what happens the second time around. Probably that both counters are red. Well, there's lots of different ways we can go about this. Maybe a nice way to deal with it would be a tree diagram. You're going to have the first counter, which is either going to be red or white, and then the second counter, which is either going to be red or white. The outcomes go at the end of the branches, so it's either going to be red then red, or white then red. Let's do some nice color coding here. White is going to be represented by blue. And then we've got our probabilities. Now, 7/9 of the counters are red, so it's probably the 7/9 of the first one and 2/9 for the first one to be white. Having taken a counter out, there's now 8 left, 6 of which are red, and 2 of which are white. And if we take a white counter out, there'll be 8 left, of which 7 are red, and 1 is white. So the probability that both counters are red is going to be 7/9 times 6/8. Here we go along there. And from that we get 14/24. Is that right? Well, yeah. Yeah. 7/12. Because to get red, red, you multiply on the branches. So then probability that 2 counters have different colors. Well, there's 4 different possible outcomes for our 2 counters. We're either going to get a red then a red, or we're going to get a red then a white, or we're going to get a white then a red, or we're going to get 2 white. Sorry, don't hang up here. So the 2 outcomes that correspond to getting different counters are these ones. The probability of getting red followed by white. Switch so we don't have to keep writing. The probability of getting a red followed by a white is 7/9. That's here, times 2/8. So that's one way of getting different colours. You could also have a white then a red. It's the 2/9 chance of getting a white on the first one, and 7/8 chance of getting a red on the following one. So multiply those together. 2/8 is obviously a quarter, so that's going to be 7 out of 36. That's also going to be 7 out of 36. And then we just add the 2 together. We get 14/36